Hey there, food lovers! Ready for this special treat we have for you today? We created the most beautiful white velvet cake ever. Imagine a cake that's decadently soft, rich, and dreamy, melting in your mouth before the first bite. So, let's grab our aprons, preheat those ovens, and create this masterpiece. Okay, baking stars, let's gather our ingredients. Don't worry, this is a no-stress zone. We're using simple ingredients to create something extraordinary. For the cake, you'll need cake flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, salt, butter, buttermilk, eggs, vanilla extract, and that secret ingredient for white velvet magic, almond extract. For the frosting, we'll use butter, cream cheese, powdered sugar, and a touch of vanilla. Got everything? Awesome! Let's get baking. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. This step ensures that your cake bakes evenly and rises perfectly. A well-preheated oven sets the stage for a successful baking experience. Make sure to double-check the temperature with an oven thermometer if you have one, as oven temperatures can sometimes be inaccurate. Grease and flour. 2 9-inch round cake pans. This will prevent the cake from sticking to the pans and make it easier to remove once baked. Use a pastry brush or a paper towel to evenly spread the grease. Then lightly dust with flour, tapping out any excess. Now, the fun begins. Whisk together the cake flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and salt in a large bowl. These dry ingredients form the foundation of your cake. Make sure they are well combined to ensure an even distribution of leavening agents, which will help your cake rise beautifully. Whisking also helps to aerate the flour, making your cake lighter and fluffier. In another bowl, cream together the butter and sugar until light and fluffy. This process incorporates air into the mixture, which is essential for a light and tender cake. Use a stand mixer or a hand mixer on medium speed for about 3 to 5 minutes. The mixture should be pale in color and have a creamy texture. Beat in the eggs one at a time, ensuring each egg is fully incorporated before adding the next. This helps to maintain the emulsion and prevents the batter from curdling. Eggs add structure and moisture to the cake, so take your time with this step. Then, stir in the vanilla and almond extracts. These extracts add an incredible depth of flavor to your cake. For a different twist, experiment with other extracts, like lemon or orange. Mix until the extracts are fully incorporated into the batter. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, alternating with the buttermilk, beginning and ending with the dry ingredients. This method helps to keep the batter smooth and prevents overmixing, which can make the cake tough. Beat until just combined, being careful not to overmix. The batter should be smooth and slightly thick. Get those ovens ready because our cake batter is ready to bake. Pour the batter evenly into the prepared pans, smoothing the tops with a spatula. Give the pans a gentle tap on the counter to release any air bubbles. Place the pans in the preheated oven and bake for 25 to 30 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Enjoy the wonderful aroma filling your kitchen as the cake bakes to perfection. Pour the batter evenly into the prepared cake pans. Bake for 30 to 35 minutes or until a wooden skewer inserted into the center comes out clean. Let the cakes cool in the pans for 10 minutes before inverting them onto a wire rack to cool completely. While the cakes are cooling, let's whip up that amazing frosting. Take a deep breath and enjoy that amazing aroma. We're almost there. Get ready to whip up a dream. It's a frosting fun. Now we're plunging into the enchanting realm of frosting, where each delightful swirl and luscious dollop not only tantalizes our taste buds, but also sprinkles a little magic on our cakes. Join us on this sweet adventure. In a large bowl, beat together the butter and cream cheese until smooth. This step is crucial as it forms the creamy base of our frosting. Ensure the butter and cream cheese are at room temperature for the best results. Gradually add the powdered sugar, beating until light and fluffy. This process might take a few minutes, but patience is key. The powdered sugar sweetens the frosting and gives it that perfect, airy texture. Stir in the vanilla extract. This simple ingredient adds a depth of flavor that elevates the frosting from good to absolutely irresistible. Make sure to mix it well so that the vanilla is evenly distributed. Pro tip: if the frosting is too thick, add a tablespoon of milk at a time until you reach your desired consistency. This step allows you to control the texture, making it perfect for spreading or piping. Now, resist the urge to eat it all with a spoon. We know it's tempting, but remember, the frosting is meant for the cake. A little taste test is fine, but save the rest for the masterpiece. We need to frost our cake. Start by placing a generous amount of frosting on top of the cake and spread it evenly. Use a spatula to create smooth, even layers. This is where your creativity can shine. This frosting is pure bliss. Just look at that smooth, creamy texture. It's perfect for any cake, whether it's a simple vanilla sponge or a rich chocolate layer cake. It's the perfect complement to our soft and fluffy cake layers. Each bite will be a harmonious blend of moist cake and luscious frosting, making every moment a celebration. Get ready for the ultimate showdown. It's time to bring your vision to life and assemble your masterpiece for the grand finale. Once the cakes are completely cool, use a serrated knife to level the tops if needed. Place one cake layer on a serving plate or cake stand. Frost the top evenly with about 1/3 of the frosting. Carefully top with the second cake layer and frost the entire cake with the remaining frosting. And there you have it. Your white velvet cake is ready to be devoured.
Welcome to Decorating Delights, where your creativity takes center stage. Let your imagination soar as you transform spaces into stunning showcases. Now comes the fun part: decorating. Get creative and make it your own. You can keep it simple with a sprinkle of powdered sugar, or go all out with fresh fruit, chocolate shavings, or piped frosting designs. Remember, there are no rules in cake decorating. Let your imagination run wild. Your cake is not just a dessert, it's a work of art. Be proud of your creation. Today, we're diving into the world of sweet treats and scrumptious delights. Whether you're a seasoned baker or just starting out, we've got something special for you. Ready to bake something truly special? We're talking about a cake that's not just any cake, but a white velvet cake that will leave your taste buds dancing with joy. Imagine the softest, fluffiest cake you've ever had, and then imagine it even better. We're about to whip up the most delicious white velvet cake you've ever tasted. This isn't just a cake, it's an experience. From the moment you start mixing the ingredients to the final bite, you'll be in baking heaven. The process is as enjoyable as the end result. This cake is a dream come true, soft, fluffy, and bursting with flavor. Each slice is a piece of paradise, perfect for any occasion. Whether it's a birthday, a holiday, or just a regular day that needs a little sweetness, this cake is your go-to. It's perfect for birthdays, holidays, or just because you deserve a slice of heaven. Imagine the joy on your loved ones' faces when they take a bite of this delectable treat. Ready to get started? Let's dive right in and create some magic in the kitchen. Get ready for a fun baking adventure because this white velvet cake is going to rock your world. Gather your ingredients, preheat your oven, and let's embark on this delicious journey together. Let's celebrate the sweetness and spread the delightful joy of white velvet together. Congratulations, you've baked a masterpiece. Now it's time to share the love and cake with your friends and family. They'll be blown away by your baking skills. And don't forget to snap some pics of your gorgeous creation before it disappears. Sharing is caring, especially when it comes to delicious cake. Until we bake again, farewell for now. Can't wait for our next delicious adventure together. Thanks for joining us on this delicious journey. We hope you loved baking this white velvet cake as much as we did. Don't forget to share your creations with us on social media. You can even share in the comments below. And be sure to like, subscribe, and follow for more tasty recipes and fun food adventures. Thank you for watching. Until next time, happy baking.